The July 2021 wind event saw 3 storms converge over Dodge and Washington counties, moving southward into the Omaha metro. 96-mile-per-hour winds equivalent to a Category 2 hurricane were recorded at Epley Airfield. Wind speeds matched a record for straight-line wind gusts in Omaha. These damaging winds lasted nearly 20 minutes and cut a 25-mile path of destruction through the Omaha metro. At its peak, 188,000 customers were without power. Prior to this year's storm, the thunder and windstorm of 2008 was the largest on record for OPPD. Based on outage numbers, the July 2021 storm is the largest storm in OPPD history. The 2021 storm front path covered an area 5 times larger, causing much more widespread damage across the service territory. Despite more outages, power was restored in less than 7 days. With safety top of mind, OPPD employees and mutual aid partners worked 16-hour or longer days to restore power to our customers. By the end of the first day, Saturday, July 10th, OPPD had restored power to more than 120,000 customers as entire circuits were restored. The days that followed saw more complex repairs, including significant tree damage to infrastructure and many individual repairs. OPPD and our partners work to bring as many people back online as quickly as possible, regardless of location. "956 workers, including line technicians, forestry personnel, and other responders, were deployed in the field. OPPD and our customers were supported by 14 separate mutual aid partners from several states. Nearly 2,000 dedicated individuals worked on the front lines and behind the scenes to restore power. Communications provided through OPPD's social media channels resulted in 85% positive or neutral public sentiment. Our website and online storm and outage center served more than 170,000 new users. OPPD also provided direct customer communications to those whose outages would be longer in duration. Customer Care Center representatives made proactive calls to customers to check on outages and to align information within OPPD's system. This was an historic storm. OPPD teams came together to respond safely and quickly. We are a learning organization, and we take all opportunities to look at ways we can do better. While this was an extraordinary storm, OPPD is committed to adapt and improve to better serve you. We are planning for the future and grateful to our customers, employees, and partners. Thank you.